Hello students, good evening. Today I am going to start my third lesson and my topic is rayon. Previous class also I have discussed, my last topic was rayon. How rayon is prepared, we have discussed it. Wood pulp is mixed with alkaline solution and it is allowed to pass through the sphelerate. स्पिरिट का मतलब आपको समझ में आ सकता है आसानी से। सेमिया आपने खाया होगा, जब सेमिया बनती है इमेजिन करो पतले धागे कैसे बनते हैं। एक सिलेंडर होता है, उसके नीचे बहुत सारे होल्स होते हैं, बहुत सारे होल्स होते हैं, उसमें वो पेस्ट मैदा का डाल दिया जाता है, ऊपर से एक दूसरा सिलेंडर होता है और उसे जब हम प्रेस करते हैं तो नीचे से लच्छे की तरह सेमिया निकलता है। उसी तरह से the solution wood pulp and alkaline solution is allowed to pass through the multiple hole containers. जितना फाइन है उस फाइन होल से रेयन निकलता है, that is the rayon fibers, which allows to pass through the sulfuric acid so that it solidified. Acid solidified it. Okay, so that rayon is used for multiple purposes, and the rayon is so fine that the rayon resembles with the silk. You can see the silk cloth, that is a natural animal fiber. It is very fine. Even a shirt can be put into the hand like this. Rayon also quite resemble. In the market, duplicate silk rayon is sold as a duplicate silk also. The chemistry student can find out. It is very difficult for others to find out. Only thing, by burning you can check it. When you burn the rayon, it will have the bad smell of synthetic fibers, and when you burn the silk, it will have dust, nothing else. Now let's come to that. We have taught you the rayon. What are the uses of rayon? Rayon is used in the textile industries. It is mixed with cotton fiber. Rayon is also mixed with cotton fibers in bedsheet, dress materials and carpets, capsules. For making carpets, rayon is also used to make the carpets, the furs, the carpets. It is used in the tire cord. When you cut the tire, you see the truck tire, car tire, there are the inner wall is having multiple threads, the tire. It is used in the tire cord to make bandages. Bandage is also made by the rayon. So rayon has got a versatile use. You can see these examples you are seeing in day-to-day life. Question, write down. Question number 1, homework. What are the uses of rayon? दूसरा क्वेश्चन आप लिख सकते हो क्या? Why fiber? Why rayon fiber? Rayon fiber is allowed to pass through the acid. Acid makes the rayon fiber harder. Okay. Now these are the uses. Already explained it. What are the uses? Once again repeat it. In textile industry, it is mixed with the cotton. In bedsheet, dress materials and caps for making carpet. In tire cord to make bandages. These are the uses. You can have this. Already this question answer is given to you. So, what is the rayon? It is a synthetic polymer. Okay, now let's discuss the common topic is nylon. Nylon terms from where it came. Nylon was the first fiber to be invented, first synthetic fiber which was invented. And initially it was used in two countries, New York and London. Two cities, New York, that is in US, New York and London. The nylon name is derived from the user country, that is in New York. The N-Y, two letters taken from the New York, N-Y, and London, L-O-N. So it becomes nylon, L-O-N, nylon. The term has come nylon like this. So children, how nylon is prepared? My next question, write the question number 3. How nylon is prepared? Let me wrap it off. I will write the question numbers. You can write the homework. Question number 3. How nylon is prepared? What is the answer? It is prepared by the polymerization of amides. Polymerization of the amide is a monomeric unit. The amide, the large number of amides, large number of amides are linked to form polyamides. Large number of amides are linked to form polyamides. For example, nylon 6 and nylon 66. So आंसर भी मैंने थर्ड का बता दिया आपको. Now we will go to the why. Next question number 4. How the name nylon came. How the name nylon given to the polymer. See, polymer, all are the polymer you are going to study. Simple, I have told you what is polymerization. When a large number of a smaller molecule combines together to form a bigger molecule. The bigger molecule is called polymer and the smaller molecule is called monomer, and the process is known as polymerization. When a large number of amide molecules are linked together, they form bigger molecule, that is polyamides, and the process is known as polymerization. Actually, nylon was formed by the condensation polymerization of hexamethylene diamine and tetramethylene dicarboxylic acid. The product named was ipecacuanha hexamethylene adipamide, and the name, there are two most commonly named nylon fibers are polymers are nylon 6, whose name is hexamethylene adipamide, but nylon 6 which is formed by the polymerization of caprolactam. इतना डिटेल में नहीं जाना है, मैंने आपको प्रिपरेशन सिंपली बता दिया है. आप polymerization of amides is from the polyamides. Okay, now Nylon name was given on the basis of this polymer was initially used in London and New York. The two letter N and Y taken from New York, whereas three letter LON it is taken from London, and name was given to this polymer as nylon. Okay. Now we will go to what are the physical properties, what are the special characteristics of nylon. नायलॉन की कैरेक्टरिस्टिक क्या है? अब देखिए, हमें अगला क्वेश्चन लिखने दीजिए आप, इसमें आपने लिख लिया होगा, हमें इस पर पूरा करने दीजिए। हाँ बच्चों, थ्रू एसिड क्वेश्चन मैंने आपको दे दिया है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 बता दिया है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 हो गया है। अब होमवर्क नंबर 5, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, what are the physical property of nylon? Question number 6. Write down the uses of nylon. ओके बच्चों, जरा ध्यान से पढ़ो, डीप में जंप किया जा सकता है, इसको शॉर्ट किया जा सकता है, लेकिन नायलॉन की फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी, नायलॉन देखने में कैसा होता है, वाटर के साथ कैसा बिहेवियर होता है, उसकी लाइफ कैसी होती है, इन चीजों फिजिकल जो आउटलुक में नायलॉन कैसा लगता है। नायलॉन काफी स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है, आसानी से तोड़ नहीं पाओगे, हैंड कट सकती है। इट इज ए लस्टरस होता है, इसमें चमक होती है नायलॉन में, इसलिए ये लस्टरस है। शाइनिंग प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द मटेरियल इज नोन एज ए लस्टरस प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ दैट मटेरियल। तो लस्टर, इट इज हाईली इलास्टिक, नायलॉन को खींचोगे तो काफी फोर्स लग के खींचेगा, इलास्टिक होता है, ठीक है, खींचने पर एक्सपेंड करता है, दोबारा रिगेन कर लेता है, इलास्टिक। इट इज एक्सट्रीमली फाइन, ये आपके बाल से भी ज्यादा पतला और फाइन होता है, एक्सट्रीमली फाइन। इसका वेट काफी कम होता है, इट इज वेरी लाइट इन वेट, और इट इज रिंकल फ्री, इसमें रिंकल नहीं होता, आप कितने भी दबाओगे ये सीधा रहेगा, ये रिंकल फ्री है। नायलॉन क्लॉथ मेनली आप कहाँ देखते होंगे, मैं आपको बता रहा हूं कि जनरली नायलॉन की यूज पैराशूट के कपड़े में यूज होती है। जब पैराजम्पर्स हेलीकॉप्टर या जहाज से नीचे कूदता है तो उसके जो अम्ब्रेला बनता है उसमें नायलॉन कपड़े का यूज होता है। उसके रोप जो होते हैं वो भी नायलॉन होते हैं, काफ़ी मजबूत होता है। नायलॉन तो हम लोग हवाई जहाज में नट और बोल्ट भी नायलॉन का बना के यूज करते हैं, क्योंकि ये लाइट वेट होता है और स्ट्रॉन्गर देन स्टील होता है। ठीक है, तो आइए, तो मेरा क्वेश्चन था, राइट व्हाट आर द फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ नायलॉन। जो आंसर आपको है आप लिख सकते हो, राइट द यूजेस ऑफ नायलॉन। नायलॉन इज यूज्ड इन फिशिंग नेट, climbing rope. You might have seen many climbers, those are going to Everest mountaineers, they are throwing the hook with the, which is tied with the rope, right? That is called anchor. They are throwing an anchor on the mountain and then they get it. So climbing ropes, parachute fabrics, they are used by the parajumpers. Strings, nut bolt, bristles, जो ब्रश में हमारे होते हैं ब्रिस्टल्स, इवन नायलॉन इज यूज्ड इन द साड़ी, नेकटाइज, सॉक्स एंड मशीन पार्ट्स, machine parts. So these are the uses of nylons. We have explained you nylon details. Okay, nylon is formed by the preparation polymerization of amides, and the name of nylon is polyamides. Now let me proceed to the, after the nylon we will go to the polyester. Till now my 6th question is already over. now you will write all 6 questions. Now children, my next topic is polyester. It is made by the repeating unit of chemicals. Name is ester. Ester are the chemicals which gives us the fruity smell. Terylene, Dacron are some examples of polyester fibers. Terylene are the terrycots when it is mixed with cotton. We will discuss with the polyester. What is the polyester? What is the polyester? Think of and let me know what is the polyester. Poly plus C. Polyester. It is polyester. Poly means many ester. मतलब उसमें बहुत सारे ester group. When a large number of ester groups combines to form polyester. Polymerization, polyester are the polymer having large number of ester group linked together. The bigger group is known as polymer and smaller is known as monomer, and the process is known as polymerization. हमें पॉलिस्टर, इसका दूसरा नाम टेरिलीन भी बोलते हैं. Polyester. So, terylene. These are the synthetic polymers. So, my next question will be 7th number. What is the polyester? What is your answer? Polyester क्या है? You will answer it is a synthetic polymer. It is formed by the polymerization of large number of ester groups in which repeating ester groups are linked. The bigger molecule is known as a polyester, which is a polymer, and smaller groups is known as monomer. Okay? Now, actually ये बनता है जो आउट ऑफ सिलेबस है. ये बनता है, आप अल्कोहल को ईस्टर के साथ रिएक्शन करोगे, अल्कोहल को एसिड के साथ, तो तुम्हें ईस्टर बनेगा. ठीक है? और उसी के पॉलीमराइजेशन से पॉलिस्टर बनता है. हमें अधिक केमिकल रिएक्शंस में नहीं जाना है. अगला क्वेश्चन है 8th नंबर क्वेश्चन. what are the uses of polyester? Now tell me what are the uses of, think of and let me know what are the uses of polyester. Polyester are used in the dress material, curtains, sails, water hose. What are the uses? It can be used in dress material, in curtains, or what are the places you will use the polyester? In the blending of fabric, जब पॉलिस्टर को in the making of terrycloth, it is also known as terylene. when पॉलिस्टर का दूसरा नाम टेरिलीन है, क्योंकि टेरिलीन is formed by, why the name is given टेरिलीन? टेरिलीन also has got many ester group. टेरिलीन is formed by the polymerization of terephthalic acid and ethylene glycol. इसलिए इसका नाम पड़ा टेरिलीन. टेरिथालिक एसिड से टेरिलीन आया. और टेरिलीन अगर कॉटन से ब्लेंड करोगे तो टेरिकॉट बनेगा. Terracotta. Terracotta. What is a terracotta? It is blended fabric of kaolin plus cotton. It is a blended fabric of kaolin and cotton. These are the maximum uses you can think of regarding that. Conveyor belt, shirt, trouser, dress material. In terry wool also it is used. Not only terracotta, it is used in terry wool. Terry wool, what happens? Terry plus wool, terry wool. Okay, so major use of it is the blending in the blended fabrics. At the same time, we can write it is also having similar properties of other synthetic polymers like physical properties. What you can write it is, these are the uses you have written in 8th number question. Now question number 9. What is it? What are the physical property of polyester? Now physical property में जो similar property लिखेंगे, wrinkle free, do not absorb water, light in weight, lustrous, stronger. So these are the common properties of synthetic polymers. These are generally the physical properties are the common property of almost all synthetic polymers. They are wrinkle free. All synthetic polymers are wrinkle free. They do not absorb moisture. All synthetic polymers do not absorb moisture. They are lustrous. Majority are lustrous. They are used in the blending. Everyone is used in the blending. So like this, the physical properties are very common. Okay? So in next class, we will meet. By the time you do all 7 questions, if you have got any doubt, come on the WhatsApp or put your question. Okay? Thank you.